Hello, nice meeting you. So you have taken IIM Bangalore's test today, and how was the paper?
The paper was moderate. It was time taking. It was really time consuming, and yeah, that's all I have to say. I would say.
Okay, so as IIM Bangalore's exam was conducted for the very first time, and we do not have any previous year question paper. What do you think? Which section was the most difficult?
I would say maths, obviously, but as it was the most time consuming, but it also had the most time allotted to it, that is given to it. And easiest I would say was English. Logical reasoning was, I think it was moderate for most people, I would say, but for maths, it was like the most time consuming. So.
Well, anyways, I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much for the interview. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Pallavi.
Hi Pallavi, as you have taken the IIM Bangalore's exam, did it go according to your expectation?
Yeah, I can tell it somewhat it went through my expectations, but the quants session was a bit tougher. The verbal ability is so easier, and the logical reasoning was medium.
Okay, so as there were no previous year question paper, did you have any strategy to prepare and did the exam go actually according to your strategy?
I didn't have any strategy, but my advantage is verbal ability. I could do verbal ability so easier, so I think I can score more marks in that section.
Okay, that's good to know. Thank you so much. I wish you all the very best. Name?
Hi, I'm Jagruti.
Hi Jagruti. So you have come out of IIM Bangalore's exam. How was the exam? How are you feeling right now?
Actually, I thought the exam could be around moderate to difficult, but the paper is so damn easy. I guess everyone's gonna write well.
Okay, so it is so damn easy for you. All the three sections were easy?
Quant is like moderate to no, easy to moderate. Verbal is easy to moderate. LR is easy.
Thank you so much, Jagruti. Nice meeting you and all the very best.